Hey guys, it's Michelle here from Fire Natural Hair and Faith. Excuse my buddy in the background there. I had no choice but to have him in the room with me. We're without a nurse today, and I remembered I needed to come in and do a length check. Let's get it started. No, seriously though, next week in the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share some tips for making your hair challenges more successful. So, you know, oftentimes we join a hair challenge and it's like, okay, we're going to do this, 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 and this, and we're trying to retain all this length or whatever, but without any actionable steps. So I can't share those tips in this video because it would be too long and I got to deal with this dude over here. However, look at him smiling. Is that CJ smiling? Mm-hmm. Yeah. To come on and give a little length check since I started taking the X Secrets supplements and the growth oil. I've been massaging my scalp about 2 to 3 times a week. So we're going to start with, I'm going to measure in more than one place. This time I know I have twists. It's actually easier to measure with twists in. I had my hair loose before, but with the twist in, I'm just going to measure from different sections of my scalp. Measuring, I'm gonna measure from here. Okay, I am at, this bottom one here is stressing me out for real. You know what? Let me get a clip because a clip will help me to like isolate it and not have all the twists in my way. Let me just get a clip. We're gonna start, here we go. This is where I measured from before. I feel like measuring your hair is something that's so hard to do, and I think that's part of the reason that I never bothered. But we are now, this is at about 14¼ inches. It's about 14¼ So I probably maybe it's been a month, and I am not a fast grower by any means necessary. So that's 14¼ We're gonna look at the other video. This one is also at 14, and I believe it was at 13½ before. I'm gonna put a clip right here, cut my man off just to see. In the front here, this one, ends right here at 13 and about half, 13½ here, right there. This one is at like 14. This one was at 14½. So I've had more growth on this side, I believe. I think I did the front, right? Yeah, I did the front. And I'm wondering if, you know what? This might be skewed because my hair is twisted. Let me not do that. Let me take the twist out. I hate having to take these twists out. I just did them. But let me take the twist out and measure it with the twists out, because I think that it might be different. Yeah, it's definitely different because now this is measuring 14 inches in the front. Okay, so we're gonna redo this. 14 inches in the front with this twist. I'm gonna have to retwist it. This will be a bomb twist out though. Look at that. Look at that texture. Okay. Right there. Oh yeah, 14¼ inches on this side right there. And then this bottom one, I don't recall if I measured this. Take this twist out. Okay. Okay, this one is at 14 inches down here. I don't think I measured this one before. Now, interesting, that's at 15 inches now, like 15 inches from the top, which is really good because my crown sucks. No, let me correct my my language, because you know, you can have what you say. My crown does not suck. My crown is blessed. That is it for the measurement situation of my hair. It's definitely growing. I'm retaining some length. Am I retaining length because I'm taking the supplements and I'm massaging the scalp? I don't know. To be honest, I mean, hair grows, right? I think that the stimulation of the scalp is definitely happening. But I think the bigger thing that I'm noticing with my hair is that it's starting to feel like it's thicker, if that makes any sense. I mean, I've been using the fenugreek mask. I've only done that twice though, but I've been taking the supplements and I've been using the scalp oil by S Secrets. And so, you know, I'm pleased with my progress regardless. Like, some people may have come up after a month and like, oh, I got 2 inches. You know what? If I have more than 1/4 of an inch, I'm happy, because I am a slow grower, or I've been historically a slow grower. So, you know, you have to measure your results based on the way you know your hair normally grows, not based on how other people respond. But anyway, that is it for this video. I'm sorry this was a bit like jumbled and unorganized the way I like measured my hair. This is what happens when you have like responsibilities and you just don't plan well. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I will definitely catch you in my next video. Let's continue to grow together, and I will be back with a much more organized video with useful tips on how to be successful with hair challenges. And now the train wants to go by. I give up for today. I give up. God bless you.